Now we are going to create a Python code to get the current working directory. That is a simple task. We start by importing the OX module. That module is incorporated it is incorporated in the Python programming language. It is very easy to use. We use the import statement and write OX operating system. With this module, we have a lot of functionality to operate to get some interesting functionality with the operating system. IDEX, Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. Now, in a print statement, to get the current working directory, we write OX dot get CWD. Those three letters describe current working directory. It is very easy. Now we can execute this code and get for this system. This is the path: storage, emulated, 0, download Python. That is the path to the actual directory that contains this file. The file is named E00027 and then a get current working directory .py. That is the current directory of the actual Python script. Great.